Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ball tip steak. This cut, also known as sirloin tip steak, is a lean and flavorful option from the bottom sirloin. To ensure tenderness, it's crucial to prepare it properly. Begin by trimming any silver skin or tough connective tissue. Then, marinate the steak for at least 2 hours or even overnight for maximum flavor and tenderness. This simple step makes a big difference in the final result. Once your ball tip steak is prepped, you have several fantastic cooking options. Roasting, braising, and pan-searing are highly recommended for this cut, helping to break down its fibers for a tender result. If you prefer grilling, ensure the steak is well marinated and plan to slice it thinly after cooking. For oven roasting, a temperature of about 350 degrees Fahrenheit works well to cook it evenly and thoroughly. Achieving the perfect doneness is key to a delicious ball tip steak. Always use an instant-treed meat thermometer, inserting it into the thickest part, avoiding bone. For a juicy medium rare, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a medium steak, cook it until it reaches 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the steak will continue to cook slightly after removal from heat. The final, crucial steps for a perfect ball tip steak involve resting and proper slicing. After cooking, transfer your steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Finally, slice the steak thinly against the grain. This technique shortens the muscle fibers, making the steak much easier and more enjoyable to eat. Enjoy your perfectly cooked ball tip steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.